In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pixel to Squarespace. Adding a meta pixel, which is often used for Facebook and Instagram ads, helps you track what visitors do on your website. This lets you measure the performance of your campaigns, build better audiences, and retarget people who have already visited your site. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your meta pixel to your Squarespace site, using the built-in integration so you don't have to touch any code. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and you're on the correct website if you manage more than one. From there, go to your main Squarespace home dashboard. This is the central screen where you can see options like pages, design, commerce, and so on. If you're not already on this screen, you can usually get there by clicking the home or site overview icon in the top left corner of the interface. Once you're on the home dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the settings icon. It typically looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that. The settings area is where Squarespace keeps most of the behind-the-scenes configuration options for your site, including domains, billing, and, in our case, marketing tools. Inside settings, scroll until you see the option labeled marketing and click on it. This section is dedicated to tools that help you grow your audience, connect advertising platforms, and improve your visibility online. Squarespace groups these tools together so they're easy to find and manage. Within the marketing area, look for the option called Meta Pixel and Ads and click on that. This is where Squarespace lets you connect your Meta Pixel without needing to paste any code into your website header. Before you move on, it's helpful to have your Meta Pixel ID ready, which you can find in your Meta Events Manager. Now, in the Meta Pixel and Ads section, you'll see a field where you can type in your Meta Pixel ID. Carefully type or paste the ID exactly as it appears in your Meta account. Double check for any extra spaces or missing digits, because an incorrect ID means tracking won't work properly. Once your Meta Pixel ID is entered and you're confident it's correct, find the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page, and click on Save. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your pixel won't be connected. After saving, your Meta Pixel is now linked to your Squarespace site and will start tracking activity according to your meta settings.